Welcome to Python Challenges, where we learn Python by solving real coding problems. I'm not here to lecture, I'm here to challenge you to think like a programmer. Today's challenge: create a number guessing game where the computer picks a random number and the player tries to guess it. Here's what our program needs to do. Generate a random number between 1 and 100. Ask the player to guess the number. Tell them if their guess is too high or too low. Let them keep guessing until they get it right. Count how many attempts they needed. Think you can solve this? Pause the video now and try coding this yourself. I'll wait. Let's break this down step by step. First, we need to think about what we've learned so far. To generate a random number, we'll need Python's random module, variables to store our random number, and the player's guess. A way to get input from the user A loop to allow multiple guesses. Conditional statements to check if the guess is correct. Don't worry if you don't know all of these concepts yet. That's exactly why we're doing this challenge. Let's break down some key parts. First, we have the import statement. This brings in Python's random module, giving us access to functions that generate random numbers. Next is the randint function. This generates our random number between 1 and 100. We store this in a variable called secret number. The while loop keeps our game running until the player guesses correctly. Everything inside this loop repeats until the guess matches our secret number. Our try except block handles errors. If the player types something that's not a number, the program continues instead of crashing. Finally, the increment operator adds 1 to our attempts counter each time the player makes a guess. This tracks how many tries they needed to find the answer. Through this simple game, we've covered importing modules, variables and assignment, user input, type conversion loops, conditional statements, exception handling, string formatting. Not bad for one short program. Next time, we'll tackle a new challenge that builds on what we've learned. Hit subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss it. Until then, keep coding and challenging yourself.